Hello everyone, I'm Grace. Today I will introduce the Dongfeng 4x4 dump truck. In the field of modernization and logistics and transportation, dump trucks play an important role. Based on the dimensional standards for medium-sized dump truck, ensures the stability and safety of the vehicle in the transportation process. The power system of the vehicle is its core part. Dongfeng 4x4 dump truck is equipped with a 240 horsepower engine, which provides strong power for the vehicle. Manual 8-speed transmission. Tire model is 11R20 with a spare tire. Overall dimension is 7730 by 2570 by 3070 millimeters. The frame is double layer reinforced with 7 tons front axle, 13 tons rear axle, which provides a strong carrying capacity. Large capacity cargo box design can meet the transportation needs of various large materials and construction materials. In addition, its cargo box system is easy to operate, enabling fast and accurate loading and unloading. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.